center consoles only, and we have a very exciting week for you. We're honored to be teaming up with Mercury Marine to help showcase the Miami International Boat Show. We're going to show you some Mercury powered boats with walkthroughs. We're going to do some sea trials and show you some cool things they have going on in their display. So come along with us and let's have some fun. Right now we're on the 37 Axle Par Pilot House. Twin 300 V8s pushes this boat up to 56 miles per hour. Very fuel efficient and quite fast. We really like this boat. Love to see more of them here in South Florida, and we love that Mercury power and how it works with this platform. So we came across a beautiful Scout 305 right behind me with twin V8 300s. So we stopped Joe with Mercury. Thank you for taking the time. And I wanted him to explain a little bit how this platform works with those 300s, some of the fuel efficiency numbers, and we wanted to share that with you guys. So we just got on the brand new 47-foot Freeman Boat Works, and it is absolutely massive. Powered by quad 450 Racing Mercuries, said to go above 80 miles an hour, which we're going to experience here in a moment. Quad 450s screaming nicely. We have like 14 people on the boat, not budging at all. Extremely impressive. Love this thing. Incredible 43-foot Blackwater paired perfectly with quad 400 Mercury Brados. Here we have a 399 Deep Impact in one of the most unique color combinations that we've seen from the company. Quad 450 Racing Mercury. So here we are on the beautiful Mag Bay 33 paired with twin Mercury 450Rs. We just jumped on the 45 Bonadale, which is Express Sport Fish, or actually a walk around quad 400s, which is something we're seeing a lot more on this style of boat.
They're very quiet. Everyone says they're quiet. You can't even like hear them running.
I mean, like night and day difference.
Yeah, they've been close.
Pretty cool, yeah.
Here we are on day 3 at the Miami International Boat Show, and we are on the JL Audio 34 CV, owned by 4 Reel Charters. We're going to take it on a quick sea trial with these Mercury V8 300s. Alright, so while we're out here, Ryan's going to give us a quick demonstration on the Mercury joystick, show us how it works, and then we're going to see it in action.
You go sideways, and that'll make the engines kind of do that kick out thing that everybody knows and has seen before. And then you can also twist the top of the bezel and rotate on your axis while you're going sideways too.
Say top speed at around 82, 83 miles per hour, depending on your load.
Day 4 of the Miami International Boat Show is about to commence, and we came straight over to Mako at the Mercury booth. Here we have the 38 LS by Tiara, paired with triple 400, performs extremely well, tops out close to 60 miles an hour. So we made it on the 325cc by World Cat Boats. We're gonna take it on a quick sea trial, show you some of the interior features, and also show you how the twin 400 Mercury Brados perform on this beast. We just jumped off a sea trial on a World Cat Boats 325cc, and one thing they do very cool here at the boat show is set up different engine configurations with different center consoles. So let's see what some others had to say about their sea trial experiences.
The Camus was great. It was really smooth and very comfortable ride. It was great. Mercury's, a lot of power, very, very smooth ride. I would definitely recommend it.
The 450s got us out of the water unbelievably. We were at 75 in no time. It was an amazing ride. It cut through the waves like nothing and handled like a dream. It was awesome.
The thing was freaking fast, man. we got out there and he just slammed it down, and you could feel it. And I mean, this is a 39 foot, and it's crazy to be going that fast in that big of a boat.
So it was an excellent week here at the Miami International Boat Show. We had loads of fun, got to test a ton of Mercury products on all kinds of different applications, and it opened our eyes to the company beyond belief. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we look forward to doing much more in the very near future. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thanks, guys. We want to thank you for watching this video. If you want to see our most recent video, click right here. And if you like what you're seeing, please do us a favor and subscribe right here. Thanks, guys.